Greetings everyone, you're welcome back to Blessings Kitchen, and today we are making puff puff, delicious Nigerian puff puff. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell to enable you get notified whenever we make a post. Puff puff is a popular Nigerian snack, very delicious. Why not try this for your family for the weekend? For the ingredients, we have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of sugar, we have baking yeast, we have our fresh pepper. Fresh pepper is optional. If you want to make kids friendly puff puff, you don't need pepper. We have our sliced onions, vegetable oil. Let's begin by adding 1 teaspoon of yeast into the bowl, half cup of warm water. Remember, we are using warm water to mix the yeast. Do not use cold water or hot water. Please use warm water. Mix the yeast thoroughly and add half cup of sugar into the mixture. And mix together thoroughly. Now it's time to add our flour. Remember, we are using all-purpose flour. We are going to sieve the flour very thoroughly to avoid lumps. Now time to add half teaspoons of salt and half cup of water. Remember, warm water. Time to slice the pepper and onion and add into the mixture. Remember, if you are making kids friendly puff puff, you don't need onion and pepper. It's optional. Add the fresh pepper and sliced onions into the mixture and mix thoroughly. After mixing thoroughly, you cover the mixture with a foil. Wrap it up with a foil or a towel. Keep it in a warm place for 30 minutes to 1 hour to enable the puff rise. Cover it up for 30 minutes to 1 hour, and after 30 minutes, I left mine for 30 minutes, and as you can see, it's almost double the size. Now time to fry. Add our vegetable oil. We have so many ways of rolling our puff puff, but today I'm going to use my bare hand. Remember to wash your hands very thoroughly. Now your index works as a scissors to cut in between the hole to enable the puff form into a perfect ball. Time to deep fry one after the other. Fry till your puff puff become golden brown. And guys, the puff puff is ready. Why not try this out for your family and give us your feedback? If you have any question, you're free to drop it in the comment section. If you love what I do, please subscribe. Click on the notification bell to enable you get notification whenever we make a post, and don't forget to share our link to your contacts. So thanks guys for cooking with Blessing today. See ya.